Hi, before you start your social media marketing, check out how we use social media in YWebs. Everyone is talking about you should use social media for your business. We have mentioned it too, and we agree with it. Mainly we are using Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn and YouTube. But, why no Twitter? Wish to know why we took out Twitter from our list? Hit the like button and subscribe. If this video hit 1000 views, we will make another video to explain why. In YWebs, we use Facebook and Instagram to share all the articles related to website design and online marketing for business. Most of our Facebook and Instagram followers prefer to read instead of watching the video, as we found out. So how is your followers' behavior on your Facebook page? If not sure how to answer this question, open your Facebook page and see the insights. Don't waste your effort on the wrong contents. Next, we use YouTube to share the website design idea for each industry. Using the video is the best way for us to visualize the results that a business owner like you could have for your website. From these videos, you may find out some impactful features that you never think of, which can apply to your business. So if you haven't subscribed to our channel, hit the subscribe button now. Lastly, we use LinkedIn to share how we partner with our clients and make our clients' dream come true. Regardless they want to be a famous chef, a successful real estate broker, or promote their product around the world, and more. So click on the LinkedIn icon on our website or the link in the description below. Follow us and get inspired. Who knows, you will be the next successful online business owner. That's all for today's video, and we hope this video gives you some idea of how you could use social media to promote your business. Remember, the first action you should take to make some remarkable results is to hit the subscribe button, and give us a thumb up. Follow us on all our social media channels. You will have more information and idea. See you there soon.